Hello, everyone. Yes, let's talk about EVs and not just Tesla. Yes, what's happening in Detroit right now is good news for Tesla because if there's a strike, there will be even more production problems. I think the supply chain has just now become available, so we'll have a lot of questions about that. But I don't think it has anything to do with the strike. I think it has everything to do with people wanting better cars. Electric cars whose prices are going down. Prices are going down at Tesla because the company is passing cost savings on to its customers. I think this is good for Tesla. People often say they can't afford these cars, but that's about to change in the UK. As you can see, Rishi Sunak is delaying his plans to get rid of all of these total combustion engines until 2035 instead of 2030, and we're not being unrealistic about this transition. In fact, the total cost of ownership of an electric vehicle fell below that of a gas-powered vehicle about 2 to 3 years ago. Those sticker prices include insurance, yes. Yes, as I said, there are differences between places, but in the US, that does include insurance. In fact, Tesla is so sure that its cars will have fewer accidents and deaths that it's willing to offer insurance. So yes, that does include everything. Recently, Cathie Wood, a Tesla investor, said some interesting things about the future of Tesla and its stock. Today, we'll look more closely at what she said and where she thinks Tesla will be in a few months. Cathie Wood has long praised Tesla as a great example of disruptive innovation. She sees the company not only as an automaker, but also as a tech company that is changing the way people travel and use energy. Wood's most recent comments on Tesla show that the company's influence goes beyond the auto industry and that its energy storage and solar solutions are key to moving toward a sustainable future. The long-term Tesla bull sees a profitable future for Tesla and has set yet another interesting target price for Tesla stock, once again re-establishing itself as the last bit of hope that investors have in Tesla. Let's bring in Cathie Wood, CEO of ARK Invest, says that Tesla is the company we hold the most in the ARK Innovation ETF. Cathie, it's great to have you on Fast Forward. Melissa, it's great to be with you too. Thanks for inviting me. Traders and I were talking about Tesla on the desk, and your bear case for the stock is $1,400. One guy said he'd take $1,400 because that's still a pretty bullish price. What is, and let's just even say the bear case, what assumptions are made about its business to get to that 1400 by 27 number? Well, about a third of our evaluation is associated with electric vehicles, EVs, and scaling them. And as always, you mentioned Turkey, a plant there. Many countries do want a Tesla plant because this is the new world, right? So that's good. This is all working out. And then two-thirds of our evaluation is around autonomous taxi platforms. We think Tesla is in the pole position here in the United States. It has collected more data about our roads and actually other roads around the world than all of the other companies combined, and therefore it has more corner cases and probably will be the company that will get people from point A to point B as quickly and safely as possible. So it's a winner-take-most market. So whether it's our base case, that just means, okay, autonomous perhaps takes a little longer to play out, or the bull case, it happens much more quickly. Woods' comments on Tesla have often had a big effect on investment strategies. Since her firm, ARK Invest, has a big stake in Tesla, her unwavering support for the car company can affect not only her own funds but also how the market feels about the stock as a whole. Cathie Wood's most recent comment about Tesla shows that people are excited about the company again, even though the stock price has been going through the roof. Tesla's stock price has been going up and down for a while now, which has made investors less confident in the automaker. But maybe this latest price prediction from Cathie Wood is what investors need to have faith in Tesla again. Thanks for watching, and see you tomorrow for more Tesla news. Cathie Wood has always been a huge fan of Tesla, and her most recent comments show how much she believes in the electric vehicle company. Wood set a price target of $1,400 per share for Tesla stock, saying that it would be a terrible outcome if the stock price didn't go up significantly higher over the next 4 years. Why did Cathie Wood say this? What recent events support her latest juicy price prediction for Tesla stock? Let's find out. But first, if you like this kind of content, hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on post notifications to stay up to date on everything going on with Tesla. Cathie Wood's most recent words about Tesla once again show how important he is in the investment world, especially when it comes to disruptive technology and new companies. One of her main concerns is Tesla's growth trajectory. The expert investor stays highly optimistic about Tesla's potential for expansion both in terms of vehicle production and energy solutions. Wood thinks that Tesla's aggressive goals in these areas are not just achievable, but are likely to be surpassed, and there are several events that support this claim. Beginning according to sources, Tesla has made plans to build and sell battery storage systems in India and has even sent a proposal to the government asking for help to build a factory. The company has also been in talks with officials about opening a new electric vehicle factory in India to make a $24,000 car. Tesla has also suggested that the country's battery storage be improved. Its Powerwall system can store power from solar panels or the grid so that it can be used at night or when the power goes out. A lot of people don't see how useful this could be for Tesla's Powerwall or even its energy business and everything that goes with it. If Tesla is able to successfully build its Powerwall, it could make a lot of money from the project by using its well-known name. New ideas and loyal customers. The automaker has a strong image as a leader in clean electricity and energy as well as with its electric vehicles, and it should be known that their products are pretty high quality and their performance and design are top-notch, so scaling this business shouldn't be too much of a problem. Tesla can also benefit from the growing demand for energy storage at home, especially in regions where grid reliability is low, electricity prices are high, or incentives are available. It can take a large share of this market by offering competitive prices, easy installation, smart features, and seamless integration with its other goods and services. This is just from Powerwalls. Think about robocars, such as Dojo, and even the Cybertruck. Tesla is on the verge of delivering something huge, its first Cybertruck, as the CEO recently revealed that the automaker has a performance Cybertruck, indicating that it could be one of the first versions of the electric pickup truck. Every part of the Cybertruck, from its exoskeleton-like design to its bulletproof windows, shows how committed Tesla is to innovation. It's an electric powerhouse that shows how relentlessly Tesla is trying to break new ground. The truck isn't just about strength. It's also a tech marvel. The Cybertron, which is based on Tesla's FSD tech, offers a level of autonomy that could change the way we think about transportation. But what about robotaxis? Tesla's robotaxi platform is meant to bring in new money for the company. It lets cars with FSD work as self-driving taxis, picking up and dropping off people as needed and taking advantage of the sharing economy. For Tesla owners, the robotaxi platform could make owning a car a lot cheaper. This platform has a lot of promise for Tesla. The robotaxi platform could make enough money to cover the cost of the car itself, making Tesla cars even more available to a wider range of buyers. Just think about the millions of Tesla vehicles on the road that could be earning money for their owners and, in turn, Tesla. As Tesla continues to push the boundaries of what can be done, it is expected that robotaxi platform could actually represent a bold step towards a future where autonomous transportation is not just a concept but a reality. This platform holds the promise of revolutionizing transportation, creating a new revenue stream, and potentially influencing Tesla stock in the long term. Note that in all of this, we get to explore the AI part of Tesla's business, and that in itself is a huge money printer for Tesla. Take Dojo as an example. As Tesla continues to improve its self-driving technology and grow its AI skills, the Dojo supercomputer is not only a big step forward in technology, but also a smart move to find new ways to make money in the fast-changing fields of AI and self-driving cars. Tesla had a bigger picture in mind for the machine.